Welcome to Kotor, Montenegro. Nestled between towering mountains and the stunning Bay of Kotor, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a hidden gem of the Adriatic. Join me as we explore the rich history and captivating sights of Oldtown, Kotor. Oldtown, Kotor is a beautifully preserved medieval town with origins dating back to the Roman era. Its strategic location made it a significant hub for trade. Walking through the narrow, winding streets of Oldtown, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. The medieval architecture, with its stone buildings, red-tiled roofs, and quaint squares, tells the story of a town that has weathered centuries of change. For those up for a bit of adventure, a climb to the Kotor Fortress, also known as the San Giovanni Fortress, is a must. The hike up 1,350 steps rewards you with breathtaking views of the bay and the town below. This fortress has been a vital defense point since the early medieval period. On this trip, we were unable to make the climb due to thunderstorms. Oldtown Kotor is a place where history comes alive through its architecture, culture, and stunning natural surroundings. Whether you are a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or simply looking for a picturesque destination, Kotor has something for everyone. Please enjoy the sights and sounds of Kotor.
Yeah.
Looks sweet. Oh, look at that lampshade.
We are now around 25 minutes away from Kotor in Perast, Montenegro. This charming coastal town on the Bay of Kotor is a treasure trove of Baroque architecture and maritime history. Perast has a rich history dating back to the Illyrian and Roman periods, but it truly flourished during the Venetian rule from the 15th to the 18th centuries. This small town boasts a remarkable number of churches and palaces, reflecting its past prosperity. We are now travelling out to one of Perast's most iconic landmarks called Our Lady of the Rocks. This artificial island was created by sinking old ships and depositing rocks. The church, built in 1632, houses an impressive collection of votive tablets and a museum showcasing the town's maritime history. Enjoy the sights and sounds of Perast.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you for joining me on this journey through Oldtown, Kotor and Perast. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.